In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bookmarks in Bluebeam. If you've ever scrolled through a long PDF trying to find the same sections over and over, bookmarks will save you time and make your documents feel organized and easy to navigate. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Review. You can launch Review and open the file like you normally would. Once the document is on screen, we'll bring up the Bookmarks panel, go to the menu bar at the top and choose View, then Tabs, then Bookmarks. This opens a dedicated panel where all your bookmarks will live. Depending on your workspace, the panel may dock on the left or right side of the screen. If you don't see it at first, using View, Tabs, Bookmarks will always make it appear. Now navigate to the exact page you want to bookmark, scroll, or use whatever navigation method you prefer. Here's a helpful tip. Bookmarks don't just remember the page number, they can also remember your zoom level and position on the page. That means you can zoom into a detail, pan to a specific figure or section header, and the bookmark will take you right back to that precise view. Take a moment to get the page looking exactly the way you want it. With the correct page and view set, look at the top of the Bookmarks panel for the Add Bookmark button. It's the plus sign. Click that once. You'll see a new bookmark entry appear in the panel ready to be named. This captures your current view so it can be recalled instantly. Type a clear, descriptive name for the bookmark and press Enter. Good names make a big difference later, especially in longer documents. Consider using the section title, drawing number, or a short phrase that makes the purpose obvious at a glance. After you press Enter, the name is saved and you can test it by clicking the bookmark. You should jump right back to the exact spot and zoom level you captured. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Review, open the Bookmarks panel, go to the page you want, add a bookmark and name it. Repeat the same steps for as many locations as you need. Your bookmarks are stored with the PDF, so anyone who opens that file in a compatible viewer will be able to use them. Thanks for watching. If this helped you tidy up your workflow, keep building out your bookmark set. Your future self will thank you every time you jump straight to the content you need.